Good morning. You should call this breakfast in the back pasture.
Breakfast in the back pasture. I'm bringing them back here to this back pasture area. I just want them off the main pasture so the grass can grow. So it's nice to have this other area where we can kind of rotate them, and they really love it back here. There's lots of browse, not just grass. I do still give them hay back here.
Let's go back to the house.
Are you chilly? You need to wash your coat today, huh? What happened to your coat?
An egg cracked inside of the pocket.
We gotta get that cleaned up today, huh?
Here's one.
Okay.
Fresh one and it's warm.
I bet it is warm. Surprised they laid this early. Where are we going now?
To check the duck eggs. How come these are different colors?
You know, I don't know because they're the same type of duck.
And this one's a little bit bigger than that one.
Yeah, one of them always lays a green and one of them always lays a white. Morning, Maxie.
We got a lot of eggs. We've been getting a lot of eggs since we got these chickens.
I know, I need to sell a few.
Let's have a selling sign.
On the road?
Mm-hmm.
Well, we need more egg cartons first. But we can.
Is this one full?
Yes. So you have 2 dozen you could sell today.
Where are you going, Bree?
I'm gonna go pick up some PVC pipe someone's giving us because it was from their greenhouse. I don't know if we'll end up using it, but I hope we do.
Look!
Bye-bye.
Bye! It's Snail!
I'm coming right back, don't worry. Did your shirt come in the mail? There it is, let's see it. Pasture Raised Kids. That's a cute little shirt. You like it? We got a bunch of packages in the mail. These are all packages, bar one, that contain items we're going to use in our upcoming pig butchering. A lifting device rated at 600 pounds, a Victorinox boning knife. Here is a ceramic honing rod for keeping knives sharp while butchering. A whetstone, I've already used this. It's a 1000, 6000 grit. 2 pig scrapers for scraping hair, a bone saw, and then 3 cutting mats. The other thing that showed up in the mail is this giant grinder. We're actually collaborating with someone. They bought the grinder, so that's cool. So it's gonna stay here until we're done with hog butchering, and then it will go home with them. We have to buy equipment to do a good job, but we're not gonna pay a butcher. We're gonna actually do it ourselves. So far I'm pretty happy with this Victorinox boning knife. It comes pretty sharp, easily can shave. I already shaved my arm. Easily can shave your arm just with a light touch. So we'll see how the blade holds, but I just have heard a lot of good things about this knife. We're on a little bit of a time crunch for getting ready to kill hogs because there's a ton to do, and I'm working later this week, so I've got today and tomorrow pretty much to knock it all out. The next job I'm gonna do is to finish cleaning out the deep freezer down here so we have space. Now there's almost nothing in here. brownie's skin, and a few chunks of venison. I need to defrost this though. Look at this junk. That can go in the upstairs freezer. We're gonna pull this drainage plug on the freezer and carefully melt this ice on all the sides with a little bit of warm water. And we'll just catch all that. When we're done, we got it clean, we'll dry it with a towel, make sure it's really dry, and turn it back on. Hey, welcome home.
So, the PVC pipes, most of them they're like curved because they were a greenhouse, so we're gonna have to go back with the truck. So this lady that's given us this greenhouse is like a pretty serious herbalist, and she said every time I come over, she'll teach me about one plant and give me some of the plant.
That's a wonderful plan.
Yeah, I know, because I told her I was like too overwhelmed. She's like, come over, I'll teach you. I was like, well, I need small bites, not giant, massive amount of information. I just need really simple basics.
What's that one?
This is catnip.
They're like 20 feet long. I'm probably gonna end up cutting them in half and making a little hoop house. There's apparently 17 more, maybe? A bunch more. This is the next day. I'm still prepping for killing hogs. I built this ingenious setup to lift the hog up, lift it over, up it goes. We pull on this, and it pulls it over above the tank, see? And then we can pull it the other direction, and it can hang away from the fire. And we can gut it right here. I hope it works. I've tested it out with 300 pounds. I think it's gonna work. Got all this stuff inside, all my equipment. I've got a bathtub out here to use as a cooler. Clean tables. This is getting the goats another water bin because we stole the bathtub. We're getting the barn cleaned out. We're actually gonna be cutting meat in the barn. And I feel like I have about maybe 50% of what I need to do done. And I have basically no more time to do it because I'm working. So I'll have to get up early on Saturday morning, finish prepping everything out. Grace is wearing it. We'll go right here, move over this way some. Pasture Raised Kids. Check link in description if you want one. The kids like them. Is it beautiful out here? We're gonna close this video out here. This has been another great day to the homestead. I'll put a subscribe button right there. I'll put our most recent video right here. Thank you for watching. You have a great day. Goodbye.